What's up, guys? So one of the important things about being a cheapskate is being able to make something out of nothing, and I've done just that. We had a old bunk bed left here, and I converted it into something kind of unusual. We're not finished with it, but here's how to build your kid a playhouse or swing set, slide, whatever you want to call it, for like next to nothing. So we're out here in the backyard. Let me show you what we got so far. It's actually pretty genius. So what this is a bunk bed that was left here by our moon dockers, or mooch dockers, I guess they would be. They tried to sell it on Marketplace, but it didn't get sold on Marketplace, so I saw this and I had a good use for it. The slide was at my parents' house, and so that came down here for free. Is what I did is, down here they have a whole bunch of slats. We pulled the slats out, we put them all up in here, and they actually lock in underneath this little lip right along there, so that works out pretty good. Now we got bigger plans to keep modifying it today. The trick is that if you can find these things all over Craigslist, Marketplace, normally for like 50 to 100 bucks. I'm just saying, why go out and spend 1,200 bucks on a huge playset when you can do this and it's like cheap? So far everything that I've gotten here has been free to me at least. So today's plan is to modify it a little bit. We went down to the hardware store, spent about 100 bucks and some Thompson's water seal and some lumber and some rope to make this a little bit better. Old school sticker right there. Today was the day I found that you can stick a 10-foot 2x4 in a Suburban or a Yukon. Gotta hurry up, get this unloaded, because my wife's got to take the Yukon up to the nursery or something to get some more plants for the for her garden. You can see that the walls just aren't quite tall enough. We might as well put a roof on it. I think maybe down below at some point we'll do a sandbox. We're up in the air about it. So after about a couple hours worth of work out here, making some measuring twice and cutting 3 times, you get something that looks kind of like this. It's got a roof and everything on it. Let me take you up in it. Go up the stairs here. We got some ropes up in there to keep the kid all safe. Then you can go like that. Roof's plenty tall, so he's got room to grow in this and play in this in the next 4 years. Here's the finished product. That's my son, he's just over 2. He climbs up there no problem. Got a roof and everything. Come on, bud, go. Can't record forever. Yeah, buddy. Come get me. Go for it, dude. Perfect. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, and thank you for subscribing.